Morning, it's Elizabeth. I'm so excited to have my first ever Instagram live today at 1 p.m. Central. That's noon Mountain Time. That's 11 a.m. Pacific, and that would be 2 p.m. on the Eastern Coast. So if you have a question about affirmations, please ask. I'm doing this Instagram live as a prequel to our workshop, the workshop I'm doing next week. It's free, and it's all about explaining my book, Language of the Soul, 52 Affirmations to Guide You. But I want you to get to the bottom of what an affirmation really is and how it can work to reframe your present moment. It can give you new direction and let you place your energies and your attention where you really place value in your life. And this really, really will begin to shift your life. So ask me a question.